That's it. Further will be continued by Nikita.
Thank you, Bhargav. Good evening. I'm Nikita. So, coming to prominent players in the Indian online grocery market, other than the ones explained by Bhargav, here is the Naturally Yours. This brand is founded in 2010 by husband-wife duo Vinod Kumar and Priya Prakash. Naturally Yours has about 100 products under its brand name. It sells on portals like Amazon, Flipkart, ShopClues, HealthCart, besides on its own website naturallyyours.in. Naturally Yours is a healthy noodles and pasta brand that revolves around three main criteria. The first one is no maida, no chemicals, no junk. The second one is to incorporate whole grains like quinoa, millets, red rice in a meal that kids would love. And the third one is ready in under 10 minutes for time pressed professionals wanting to eat healthy. The company vision is to make healthy eating fun, tasty, and nutritious. They want millennials to realize that eating healthy need not necessarily mean boring, time consuming, and expensive. So, avoiding maida and consuming whole grains by itself is a small but significant step to adopt a healthier lifestyle. So Naturally Yours is one of the leading brands on Amazon India in their health and garment section, executing over 2,000 orders per month. And they are also expecting that this could be increasing over 40% month on month in the upcoming months. The founders of Naturally Were said that with more Indians consuming organic food, the Indian organic food market is growing at a compound annual growth rate of 30% and is set to touch more than $1.5 billions in the upcoming years. And this Naturally Yours brand is planning to focus on selling purely in the online medium over the next 1 year. The products of Naturally Yours have been developed considering the needs of the time pressed individuals who want to eat healthy as well as they are targeting mothers who want to give nutritious meals to their kids. The core promise made by this brand is to make 100% natural, nutritious products which even kids would love and ask for more, thus paving the way to make simple tweaks in the daily diet for their customers. And this brand is trying to make them, their customers, to lead a healthier lifestyle. Next slide, please. The second one is Grofers. Grofers is an Indian online grocery delivery service. It was founded in December 2013 and is based out of Gurgaon. As of 2018, the company has raised around $535.5 millions from investors, including the major ones like SoftBank, Tiger Global, Sequoia Capital. So this name Grofers is a portmanteau of grocery gophers. So customers of the company use a mobile application to order groceries online. Grofers employees then secure the items from their warehouses and deliver the items to the customers. The delivery may be scheduled for any time of the day. Grofers is currently operating in more than 30 cities in India. So during the coronavirus pandemic in 2020, Grofers, along with Amazon India and Big Basket, were among the few online grocery platforms that continue to operate in India without any imbalances. In April 2020, there were several news reports on Zomato's interest in acquiring this Grofers. Apparently, talks were held between these Gurgaon-based startups on June 29th, recently, Zomato signed a deal with Grofers to invest nearly $120 million in the company to acquire 9.3% of stake in the online grocery firm of Grofers. So, Grofers recently has started 10-minute online grocery delivery service in 10 cities at a time when Indians are taking to online shopping like never. So Grofers customers are now order. now can order more than 7,000 everyday essentials in Delhi, Gurgaon, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, and many other cities. Grofers launched their 10th city with the promise to deliver groceries within minutes at customers' doorstep. While the average delivery times are still hovering around 15-minute mark, the company's vision is to deliver the goods below 10 minutes for every customer in India. So Grofers are very confident of making deliveries under 10 minutes for most of its customers, and we can say it's a huge step for Grofers. Next slide, please. The next one is Big Bazaar Direct. Kishore Biani launched Big Bazaar Direct in the year 2013 with 1,000 franchises. It was based on a franchise model, retail format, with a target to reach 50,000 franchises. The platform allows customers to buy Big Bazaar products from their nearest retail outlet. So Future Group, which has one of the largest chains of retail super shops in India under Big Bazaar brand, they have launched this unique franchisee model, direct selling business model called Big Bazaar Direct. So Big Bazaar Direct appoints direct small franchises who will be given a tab called Big Bazaar Direct Tablet. This tablet will carry over 1,000 deals from their Big Bazaar retail stores. Uh, these mobiles or tablets will essentially serve the franchises as their store front end. The customers can look up the catalog of the products available on these tablets and place their orders with the franchisee nearby them. So customers are expected to receive their orders within 3 days from the date of the order. Unfortunately, Big Bazaar Direct has been shut down in 2016 because it has experienced great losses. Now, the Future Group is focusing on its core business of physical retail as Big Bazaar has started Future Bazaar way before Flipkart, and the company has lost approximately 300 to 350 crores in the businesses, and then they can create Big Bazaar Direct. They created this Big Bazaar Direct after that, which also resulted in losses. So, although Big Bazaar has faced many difficulties in the past in the sector of e-commerce, Big Bazaar is now, have learned about customers during the journey of the failures and losses, and they are now looking at e-commerce 2.0, as they are not just focusing on buying, but also they are focusing at the experiences of the customers, also the services. We can say delivery aspects too, to make the customers feel connected with Big Bazaar brand. And the next slides will be continued by Shravan and Rohit.